Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Temprium 3.5 Cu.Ft Portable Dryer for Clothes. Highlight features or overview summary are include. This portable clothes dryer measures 22.0 x 19.3 x 26.4 inches, and in this compact size, we have upgraded the capacity to 3.5 Cu.Ft. This design not only saves space but also allows for drying more laundry at once. With 1400 watt of power, the small dryer reaches a maximum temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, delivering an excellent drying experience. It quickly dries small loads, ensuring you can wear fresh, dry clothes even on rainy days or when you're in a hurry. This portable dryer for clothes features 8 drying programs: cotton, wool, downwear, refresh, bedding, underwear, mix, and express. For specific fabrics like wool and down, you can select dedicated modes. The refresh mode removes odors and minor wrinkles at low temperatures, refreshing your garments without washing. This mini clothes dryer is equipped with an LED control panel that features a clear display and responsive touch. Pressing the kids lock for 3 seconds will lock the panel. Temprium portable dryers for laundry feature an anti-crease function that can be activated by pressing the icon after selecting the drying program. Once the drying is complete, the drum will intermittently rotate back and forth for up to 2 hours to reduce wrinkles. This function can be ended by opening the door. Additionally, the dryer portable includes a delay function that can be set for up to 8 hours, automatically starting the drying cycle once the selected time is reached. Our mini dryer features a 3-layer filtration system that effectively captures hair, pet fur, and dust, and is easy to clean. The door opens to a maximum angle of 105 degrees for easier loading and unloading. The transparent window allows you to monitor your clothes at any time. The adjustable feet lift the electrical dryer off the ground to avoid contacting with dirt and water stains, while the side handles facilitate easy movement. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.